Backrs delivers high-quality, early career talent at low or no cost to employers. And we achieve community impact. How's that possible? Because we grow talent. We work with educators to recruit high school and college students all over the country. We focus on high performers from middle and lower income backgrounds because they're the biggest untapped source of talent in the country. With Blueprint, we beam them into reality. Students explore career paths where their talent might be useful and career tracks required to achieve their financial goals. We share the specific skills, academic achievements, relationships, and experiences they'll need, not just to land a great job, but excel at it. With Prosper, students build competencies useful in the workplace such as resilience, problem solving, communication, and networking. We've validated over 15,000 resources, including from our employer partners and their employees. We help students build professional connections by curating networks organized around career interests, places, and institutions. Students can crowdsource support and build a panel of backers. Finally, we're using cutting-edge technology to connect students to career opportunities. Using Lubav, our AI-enabled success coach, students can learn from your employees, find internships and jobs, and put their best foot forward in the interview process. The result is that students succeed in a great first job. You get the talent you need at a fraction of the traditional cost.